Hello guys, hello YouTube. Yes, this is another one. We are in another country from Nigeria, yes, to Cotonou. So in this video I am going to put a Lambo door to this car, and it's going to be by remote. Yes, I've not shown you guys how to fix that one before, so I am going to do that right away. Yes, as you can see, we have the goods arrive here. You can see different goods. Yes, I am going to do a special video for this to show you the inches and the actuator and the trigger sensor on the remote and how they work. So this video is going to be for another one. So this is a Challenger 2014, if I'm not mistaken. You can see how the door is opening before. Yes, like so. I am going to try to take a very detail of this car, how you can easily do it, because on my previous video I find people are complaining the one question or the other. Yes, but I will make sure that I'll cover everything for you. Yes guys, so I'm going to dive into it now. So guys, I'll start by placing the tape on it. Yes, placing it on it. As I place this on it, it will make me to understand the level when I'm coupling the car, and know the gap that is in between before I lose it. So I am going to open this back like so and tape it like that, and then cut this. Yes, I'm going to cut this. Yes, like so. Whenever I finish, I'll just place it back and it will definitely show me the accurate. So I'm going to get all this done. As I mark everything, 1 2 3 4, yes, it's okay. You can as well use this line to measure the accurate. So right now I'm going to start losing the fender. Yes, bring out the fender to see what you are going to do. Yeah, to get the fender loosed, you have a couple of 10 here, 10 there, and a 10 behind, you see, and also some clip under here. Yes, and 10 here, 10 there. So I'm going to get them loose and I'll tell you how many I lose out. So I get the fender loose. To get it loose, yes, where you're going to find it difficult if you don't want to follow the process is here. Yes, you have to loose, saga the bumper first, saga it like this, you see, put it on saggy, then you're going to see both here and both there, and both here. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, total 10 bolt millimeter you're going to lose there before and you're going to remove the running board. You can see the running board, pull it back and to remove, and some clip here. You have some couple of clip that hold the Mr. Guard in place. So that is it. Right now we're going to move to our process. So I'll get it marked up. I measure everything. You can see this side from here to this edges is 4 inches, and here to here is 2 inches, which is perfect for me now. So right now I'm going to loose the door down and then make this bar, the base bar. So guys, I got it loose. Yes, it's loose with 13 millimeter. You see that? Loose there, loose here. Remove the plug and then drop it in place. So right now I'm going to make my template. Yes, to make my template, I'm just going to use this tape and tape everywhere and cut out where I don't need to. Then all this hole, I'm going to duplicate it on my template. So I am going, everybody know how to make template. If you don't know how to make template, check my video list. You will see how to make template. So I'll get it done and I'll show you guys back on. Okay guys, so I make my template, temporary template. Yes, you can see it all the way to down. So right now I'm going to mark where I'm going to cut off, like so. I'm going to put on the light so that you can see. Yes, so this is it, and I'm going to remove it gently. Yes, I'm going to use my 2 hands and remove it so that I won't have issue of it. So okay guys, so I make my template. You can see all the way from how clean it is. Yes, with sellotape you can make one. So right now I am going to duplicate it on the metal. Yes, this is the metal I'm going to be using. Put it like this. Yes, set it in place and mark it up, cut it out. Okay guys, yes, I get everything cut. Everything that I need is here. Yes, this is the big one, and these are the reinforcement that I'm going to do to it. Yes, This is going to be at the middle, this is going to be at the top, and this is going to be on top like so, and this is going to be at the down. So I am going to assemble it, weld it in place, and then show you how I get it done. You can see how this one fits in like so, very easy. Yes, you see that is intact. So I'm going to join everything together and I'll get you guys back, guys. So I get it done. You see how I create my base bar, join all the reinforcement together. You see that? You see it? Yeah, that is it. So I've already create where my inches is going to sit on it. Yes, to create it is pretty simple. It's just for you to, you know, put the inches to here and open it up and see if it's going to touch the fender or not. So, and that is it. And on the other hand, I use the hole that is already been there. Yes, the inches. I use the down one for the beginning, the top both of my inches. Yes, which is this. So the second one I bow it and it is down here, while the third one is on this. So it is perfect like that. And I know it's going to work out as it should. Yes, so right now I am going to clean all this. Yes, cleaning it up and then make it look fine. Okay guys, so get my base bar clean up. You can see how it's looking. Yes, painted it black. So that is how I get it done. So right now I'm going to start assemble it. At the same time, I'll start doing the other side. Yes, you can see doing the same thing. But right now, I've completed the bar. You see the bar here. So I'll get it painted later. But for now, I'll start coupling this side by tightening it up. So these are the bolt I'm going to be using. Yes, removing this one that I used before to get everything in shape, putting a new one. So I'll get it tight up and I'll get you guys back on. Yeah. Okay guys, so you can see I get this tight on. Yes, like so, with a single bolt. So I'm going to place it on this like so. I can do it with one hand. I am going to use my two hands. Okay guys, so I finished tightening it. You can see all the bolt has been tight. Yes, all the way to the down. Yes, right now I'm going to carry the door and put it and get this place marked up. So let me get into it. Yeah. Okay guys, so I get it marked up after putting the door. So I mark it the way I want it to look. So I begin to cut and bury my plate inside the chassis. Yes, you can see how it look. Just to show you, I'll put it now and see if it stay exactly the way I want, then I'll continue. Yes. Okay guys, I get it cut, but I need to reduce here. Yes, so what I'm going to do is cutting here, removing this plate. After removing this plate, then eating here, eat it downward. Yes, to create a room, a little bit room for here. So I need it to go back in a 2 or 1 centimeter. So I'll get it done. So I get everything in place. Yes, I'm going to weld it now. Yes, in place. So let's go there. Okay guys, you can see how far I've gone. Yes, getting everything done with some packing there. Yes, shade. So right now I've gotten it and you can see the Honda. I weld it. So I'm going to return this plate back to the body. Yes, so just to show you, I'll get it done fully. Yes. Okay guys, so I finished the pocket. Yes, and I put it, weld it in place. You can see how perfect it is, but I have issue. You see that it's too close. Yes, too close. So I am going to bring it back like this. Yes, it's too close. It's opening well, you can see, but you can hear it's touching. So I'm going to bring it forward a little. So meanwhile, I'll leave this one and I'll move to the other side. Yes, I've tied this in place. So I'm going to put the door and cut where I need to cut, make the pocket, and then I'll show you as it goes. So let's get into it. So guys, on this part, I'm going to tell you, yes, how I proceed to do this pocket. So you know, this door is on floor before, so I put it on it. So right now I'm going to jack it, put this jack. Yes, you're gonna, so put it the jack on it. Then I'm going to jack it a little bit to align with my setting, the beginnings of the setting of the car. You can see here, you see, as I'm jacking it, it's aligning. Yes, like so. We jack it to the previous measurement that I do. So I jack it to that level. I use this to measure it because this is what I used to measure it at the beginning. You see, it fit inside just as I did it. Yes, it's a little bit scarce. Yes, that's how I measure it. And for this, if you can remember, on the other side, I write 4 inches. Put it like this on this side to 4. If I press this in now, you see, it's exactly at 4 inches with 1 centimeter. So right now, that is the reason why I am going to cut this. Yes, maybe I may forget, so I'm going to cut this out. That's the reason, so that to match up with that 1 centimeter. And on this, you can see it's bevel, so I am going to adjust it to the level that I want. Yes, you can see it's better like this. I can still make it, yes, perfect like this, but no, the reason being because of this knot. When it come out too much, yes, you're beginning to have issue with it. So I don't want to have any issue, so I'm gonna take it back down. Yes, just like the other side. You can use plumb to measure it just the way I do the other side, but I visualize it. I know quite all right where I put it, so that is it. So right now I'm going to use my marker to mark it. Yes, I can't find the marker now, but I'll find it and I'll mark it. For you to mark it, you have to press this inside and also press this one. You can see it move as I press it. Let me use this one. It move as I press it, so you must make it align. Yes, so I'm going to get it marked and I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, okay guys, so I get it marked up. I just press it in place like this and then I mark it. I mark inside, mark the downside too. Yes, you can see here there. So right now I'm bringing it down and cutting it, so I'll show you. Yeah, so you can see guys, I get it cut with discs. So angle grinder, yes, this is what I use. So I have to make this fit inside. Yes, so I'm going to widen it with another bigger one. Yes, you can see the thickness of this is different from thickness of this. So you have to use this first so that to get the accurate cutting. Then I'm going to use this to widen it up. Yes, so to make this go in. So let me get it done. Okay guys, so you can see how perfect it is. Yes, so still on it. Yes, you see it. So right now I am going to bring it down again and clean all the edges that I need to weld, and also weld it in place, weld the Honda, and making it look good. So I'll get you guys back on. So you see guys, I get the pocket done. Yes, bury the angle inside. So this is the techniques, just want to show you. You see that? You see? So click it inside, and also the top one, the same thing. Yes, so right now I'm going to carry the door and pull it and test it out and see how it fits. Yes, okay guys, you can see how I get it done. Yes, everything has been welded inside. So right now I'm going to put the door back and make the stopper. Yes, front and back stopper. Yes, that's what I'm going to make now. Yes, to complete the pocket. So I'll get it done, I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, sun have met me here, so you can see. Sorry about the sun, I can't turn the car anymore. So this is how I get it done. I'm going to spray it now. Yes, just to make it look nice. Yeah, that's how I'm going to spray it all around. So I'm gonna spray it finish. I spray it finish, you can see that. So right now it's cure. I am going to put the door and permanent it in place, and you see how it goes. So the cable, just pull out the cable. Yes, we have SS cable on this car, so you see you don't need to worry on this. I just pass it by the side and everything is good. So there's a rubber here, so I remove the rubber. To remove the plastic, you just need to push it. Yes, hold it and push. it will come out. There's nothing big holding it, so I'm going to put the door and I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, I got it done finished. Yes, this is how it look finally. Even the other side, you see that? Perfect looking. So that is it guys. You can see the space now. The space is equal as I wanted. Yes, so you can see the other side. Yes, I forgot. See the other side? Perfect. So right now I am going to end this video here. Yes, watch out for the next video, how to put shocks and the automatic actuator. Yes, how to put everything. I'm going to be showing you in the next video, so that this video I don't want this video to be too long. That is why you see that. You see even these shocks. Yes, you guys know how to fix these shocks, but we are going to fix these shocks at the same time. So stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out.